Alright, let us do a couch. So I've already got my prepared room. Doesn't take very long, but might as well skip that step on every video, right? So here we go. The best place to start, in my opinion, is to put it near the wall over here and draw the edge that's closest to us in the picture. So I'm going to make a pretty old school couch. It's going to have fairly straight up and down back, come out, side, and so I'm basically drawing a block letter L. Now, looking at that, I want to bring it out a little further. Something like that. So like I say, it looks like a block letter L. Now I know that this is going to be behind it, so I can get rid of that. And here we go. So I have a block letter L. You could certainly use your ruler to build the same thing, trying to go straight up and down. I can see that I'm slanted a little bit there, so I'll fix that. Now, every corner needs to be taken to that vanishing point, to the dot. Every single corner. So that's a good place to start. Remember staying pretty light with these lines, because you're not sure exactly how far you're going. Alright, so now we have it going back in the space, and you can see that. So if you remember what we talked about previously, if I'm going to put it right to the wall, then that's where my couch will end, and I'm doing a straight up and down line to match this one. So this is the same piece, so I want to make sure that it's straight up and down. I think it's leaning a little bit, and then I'll get rid of the rest of these lines. It looks like I actually put it in the back wall a little bit, so I need to back it off just a bit to make sure that it's in the room. Because remember, if it goes past here, that means it's in that back wall. And so now, we're going to make sure from that same spot where it connects here, I need it to be going straight side to side from that line. So I'm going to match that up with that bottom line a bit. And then I'm connecting these two just like this line. It's the same thing, it's an echo of that same line. There we go. And then same thing here, so now I'm echoing this line, this vertical line, right here, again, right where these connect, these two lines come together. So I match it up with my wall line, slide it over. Now hopefully, if this is done right, this will come and match right into the corner. If it doesn't match right into the corner, then it's not gonna, it'll look like it's in that back wall. So let's just see what happens. It looks pretty good. I think this should be alright. And there we go, right in the corner. Now looking at this, I need to make these lines a lot harder. The other thing I can do right now is get rid of these lines that we wouldn't see. It's looking kind of like a bench or something more than a couch. Doesn't look very comfy right now, right? Those big square edges don't make it look very comfy. So we'll fix that later. And there we go.